Everybody farts. About 9.4 million gallons of human fart are released into the atmosphere daily. Your whole day's fart is enough to fill a normal sized balloon. On average, a person produces about half liter of fart gas per day, distributed over an average of 14 farts per day. Multiplying with 7.4 billion people and dividing that with 86,400 seconds in a day, you would end up with a grand total of 1.2 million farts every second. That's 100 billion daily. But what if everyone farted at once? Would Earth stink, or would it cause an explosion? Well, to find this out, we have to first break down the chemical composition of the fart. A fart consists of 59% of nitrogen, 21% of hydrogen, 9% of carbon dioxide, 7% of methane, 3% of oxygen, and 1% of hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide is the gas which makes your fart stinky. An average fart has a volume of 35.7 ml. Multiplying it with the population of the world would make a whopping 277 million liters of fart all going at once. Well, that seems like a huge number. But when compared to the mass of the Earth's atmosphere, which is 5 into 10 raised to 18, which is 5 quintillion kgs, the dispersal rate of the 277 million liters of gas in 5 quintillion kg would be about 1 part in 18 billion parts of good, clean, breathable air, which means that farting at once wouldn't cause a major change in the atmosphere. Now, talking about how combustible a fart can be, fart contains hydrogen and methane, which are flammable. The combustion potential energy of a fart is 147.29 joules, which means it would keep a 60 watt light bulb lit for 1 second. To compare it with the atomic bomb, the combustion potential energy of atomic bomb is 1 into 10 raised to 14 joules. When divided with the combustion potential energy of fart, we get 678 billion, which is the number of farts required to equal the energy of atomic bomb. It takes about 1 into 10 raised to 13 joules of energy to put the space shuttle into the orbit, which means 68 billion farts are required to equal the energy required by space shuttle.